if you are a serious trader, you make profits, use a proper risk management, but still sometimes suffer for lack of funds? No worries, all you need to do is to register your demo account on the demo contest. You can win here up to $4,000 real money for trading to your account. So today we'll be talking about a few words about this competition. So in order to participate in this competition, you need to go to the LiteFinance.org, go to the Contests tab, hit Demo Contest Best of the Best. And here you have the description of this whole competition. So you can see that you can win up to $4,000, but the total prize pool is $10,000 and there are 5 prize places. So as you can see, if you go to the conditions down below over here, let's scroll down and you can see the full table. So the first place it takes $4,000, second place it takes $2,500, third place $1,500, and the last 2 places will get $1,000 deposited to their account. So the most important things that you need to remember about this contest is that it is monthly contest. So it is held each and every month of the calendar year, which basically means if you are signing up today, you will be participating in the contest that will start on the 1st of November and will last till the end of the month. So now, what are the requirements? Basically, you have them written over here. You need to trade profitably on a contest Forex account by use of currency pairs and other available trading tools at LiteFinance. So basically, you can use any asset you have available on your account. So then you trade actively and show the best profitability result among all Forex demo contest participants. So the thing that you need to trade actively, it is written in terms and conditions that you can't be inactive for more than 10 days in a row. So it means that you can't, for example, open one full margin trade at some day and the rest of the month you can just wait for the results. It doesn't work like that, because also there is another catch, a risk factor. So let's go to the winners, how they are described. 5 participants whose trading will be the most profitable and risk factor the least with money management observed will be announced as winners of the Forex demo contest. And so most likely another question pops up to your head about the risk factor. So in order to explain that, let's go down below to the current rating. And so we have 2 sections, the profitability, which basically shows us how much profit a person made. For example, here we have on the first place the person made 295%, and the second table is the second row is risk, which basically is a representation of this risk factor I talked about in a second. So you have some numbers over here. The higher the number, the more risky trades were taken by the trader. And so how it is calculated, we can check on an example. Let's check the third place. We have the profitability of 191%, and the second place have 178%, which basically is less than the third place, right? But the person on the third place was taking more risky trades, therefore he has risk factor of 5. And therefore it is on a third place and not in the second, because the calculation is very simple. You take the profitability and divide that by the risk factor. And of course, the higher the number you get, the higher you will be on the scoreboard. So as I said, it can be won by, for example, opening 2 or 3 full margin trades, have some luck on the market, and by that winning this competition. It doesn't work like that. You need to be consistent, which means, as I said, you can't be inactive for 10 days in a row. You need to trade actively. And the second thing, apart from the profit, of course, you need to trade according to some strict risk management. You can't risk much of your funds. So the rules are simple. Everybody are starting with a $5,000, and after a whole month of active trading, 5 winners will receive cash to their trading accounts, and after that they will be able to withdraw all the profits that they will make on those accounts. So all you have left to do is to go to the registration section, type your phone or email that you are using in your real account in LiteFinance, and type your nickname that you want to be displayed over here down below, and just sign up to the contest. So I hope you all the best, only winning trades, and I hope I will see your nickname in the upper part of this table. So take care guys, and all the best. Good luck.